So you are looking for budget wireless earbuds. These are the ROLFSTONE Riva True Wireless Earbuds, and these aren't the average budget wireless earbuds. You get a lot of value for your money. So could these be the best budget wireless earbuds of 2020? Let's dive right in. In the past I've made a review about the previous ROLFSTONE Nova and the ROLFSTONE Neo earbuds, and I was always satisfied with the price-quality ratio. I didn't pay for the ROLFSTONE Riva earbuds, but I can assure you that this is an honest review. ROLFSTONE is a Dutch company that has been active in the market of true wireless earbuds since 2018. The wireless earbuds are made in China. Before the ROLFSTONE Riva, we have already seen the ROLFSTONE Nova and Neo. These two previous versions have a price around $90, but these new ROLFSTONE Riva wireless earbuds are in a price range of less than $60. With these earbuds, ROLFSTONE has focused on adding new features, comfort, ease of use, and a low price. A USB-C connection has been added to the charging case, they have said goodbye to the physical button and replaced it with touch control, and the design of the earbuds and charging case has clearly changed. At first glance, the design of both the charging case and the earbuds resembles the design of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. The ROLFSTONE Riva's box contains a manual, a short USB-C cable, and two additional pairs of ear tips in the sizes large and small. With the previous ROLFSTONE earbuds, I found it rather annoying that the physical button had to be pressed to pause your music or to skip a song. This often pushed the earbud extra into your ear, which didn't feel very nice. In spite of that, the fit of the Nova earbuds is very good, but the Neo earbuds fall out quite quickly with some movement. That's why it looks like all the good features of the previous versions, plus some new features, have been put together for the ROLFSTONE Riva, which can also be bought for a much lower price. So let's take a closer look at my experiences with the ROLFSTONE Riva and what makes them such good wireless earbuds. And let me know in the comments which wireless earbuds you are using, or if you're going to get the ROLFSTONE Riva earbuds. First, I want to talk about the fit and the comfort of the earbuds. I have used the Riva earbuds several times during exercise and for longer periods of time, and I'm very satisfied with them. With the medium-sized ear tips, they close my ears perfectly and they haven't fallen out or become loose. Of course, you don't get active noise cancelling for this price, but because of the perfect fit of both the ear tips and the shape of the earbuds, it closes my ears perfectly for excellent passive noise cancelling. This also contributes to a better sound quality, but I come back to that later in this video. The Riva earbuds have an IPX certification, which means they are rain and sweat resistant, so you don't have to worry about any water damage to the earbuds while exercising or during a rainstorm, but beware, they are not completely waterproof. Both the earbuds and the charging case can be dried or quickly dried due to the rubbery material. Because of this material, the earbuds and charging case also have a good grip, so they cannot easily slip out of your hands. The touch control is located at the top of the earbuds and has a grooved surface for better grip. At first, I was rather skeptical about the touch control function, but I am very surprised. With the touch control function you can, among other things, play and pause music and video. You can also adjust the volume with the Riva earbuds. At first I expected that I had to tap multiple times to get a response, but the touch control function is very accurate. The additional volume control is therefore a big advantage, and you can also skip music, answer or end a phone call, and reject a phone call. Just like the previous versions, the ROLFSTONE Riva features Bluetooth 5.0, which means that the distance between your device and earbuds doesn't have to be a problem. My living room is just over 10 meters from corner to corner, and I have absolutely no problem with the connection or any interference. Of course, this sounds obvious with Bluetooth 5.0, but I also wanted to test this with videos on YouTube, Netflix and Amazon Prime. Sometimes I had syncing problems with YouTube, but this deferred per video. On Netflix and Amazon Prime there was no audio delay at all, so the ROLFSTONE Riva earbuds are perfect for the video watchers out there. Connecting the earbuds is very fast and also automatic. As soon as you have connected them for the first time, they will connect to your device as soon as they are removed from the charging case. In addition, they also have auto switch, which means that the earbuds can be used separately, and when they are both taken out of the charging case, they are also connected to each other automatically. When the Riva earbuds are placed back in the charging case, they are automatically disconnected from the Bluetooth and they will turn off. Compared to the previous ROLFSTONE earbuds, there is a small difference in the battery life of the ROLFSTONE Riva earbuds. With the Riva earbuds you can enjoy music or videos for 5 hours and then charge them 4 times using the charging case. This means you have 25 hours playback time with a fully charged case and earbuds. With the previous versions you can count on 30 hours total playback time. When the battery runs out, it takes 50 minutes to charge the earbuds and 1 hour to fully charge the charging case. So despite USB-C, the charging time is still the same, but it's nice to see that more and more companies are switching to USB-C with their products, so that you can charge all your devices with one type of cable. The charging case and earbuds also have battery indicators. When the charging case is being charged, you will see a blinking light. When the earbuds are in the charging case, you will see a light on both earbuds. On both earbuds there's a microphone that together receive and reproduce the sound of your voice in the best possible way. Here is the audio from the ROLFSTONE RIVA earbuds microphone.
This is the audio from the ROLFSTONE RIVA earbuds microphone. This audio is unedited and has been recorded inside.
Now we have arrived at perhaps the most important part of this review, the sound quality of the ROLFSTONE RIVA earbuds. The ROLFSTONE RIVA earbuds have the same drivers as the previous ROLFSTONE earbuds, but I was able to hear a difference in sound quality. The bass of the Riva earbuds is remarkably good. I certainly would not call it light, but rather between neutral and heavy bass. The balance is also very good and the drums and drops come out well. The mid-range is also one of the stronger points. The instruments are well separated from each other and reproduced very clearly. The vocals and voices are very clean, so the Riva earbuds are also excellent for audiobooks and podcasts. I find the soundstage quite impressive for this price. It is wide and open and in general the sound is well balanced. I think the good closing fit contributes to this by means of passive noise cancelling. The only drawback is that sometimes I don't think the highs are very crisp and sometimes some color is missing in the sound quality. But for the average consumer these are top wireless earbuds. I think the total sound quality wouldn't be out of place with wireless earbuds of about $100, but my findings are based on the price range of the ROLFSTONE RIVA. So you get a lot of quality for the price of the ROLFSTONE RIVA earbuds, but these are not comparable to the more expensive Sennheiser or Bose earbuds. Overall, I consider the ROLFSTONE RIVA wireless earbuds really impressive for the price you pay for them. For under $60, you get USB-C, touch control, better fit and comfort, and faster and better connectivity to devices. Because I wasn't a fan of the physical button, I am very happy that the touch control has been added and that the volume can be adjusted as well. The fit and comfort are perfect for my ears and I am happy that the automatic connection to both earbuds is very fast and always works great. The battery life is not spectacular but gives you enough playback time for multiple days. As I just said, the audio quality is impressive except for a few remarks, but I would say based on the audio quality, these could be earbuds of at least $100. I think through this quality and features, ROLFSTONE has put a very good product on the market at a very good price. At the moment I think the Anker Soundcore Live B2 for $50 is a formidable competitor for the ROLFSTONE RIVA earbuds. But the Soundcore Live B2 does have a physical button that you have to push harder, and I am personally not a fan of that. So I would definitely recommend the ROLFSTONE RIVA wireless earbuds to anyone looking for wireless earbuds at a good price for everyday use. I see the Riva earbuds as a true all-rounder at home, on the road and while exercising. The esteemed features of the previous ROLFSTONE earbuds have been combined with additional features in the new ROLFSTONE RIVA earbuds. So yes, in my opinion, these are the best budget true wireless earbuds of 2020. Let me know what you think of the ROLFSTONE RIVA True Wireless Earbuds in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this and don't want to miss out on any upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video so I know what content you like the most. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.